Hello everyone, welcome you all in this video lecture. So in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about the condition of oxidative stress or the effects of free radicals in our body. So at first, let's start with the definition or some introductory part about the condition of oxidative stress. So basically the oxidative stress is defined as an imbalance between our free radicals and antioxidants of our body. And in the medical term, it is defined as physiological stress on our body which is caused by the cumulative damage which done by free radicals inadequately neutralized by antioxidants. So to understand these definitions or this introduction about oxidative stress and what is oxidative stress, it is very important to understand what are free radicals and what are antioxidants. So let's understand first that what are free radicals. So the free radicals are defined as those molecules which have at least one unpaired electron in their outer shell. We know that all our surroundings are made up of atoms and electrons. So if an atom has outer shell that is not full or not octet completed, so it will bound with another atom using the electrons to complete its outer shell or complete its own octet so that it becomes stable, because without completing its outer shell complete, it seems to be unstable. So it want to become unstable. That's why it is very reactive, and these free radicals have very short lifespan, so they react very quickly with the another atom. So now when some oxygen molecules split into two single atoms, so they have unpaired electrons in their outer shells which are 6 electrons. So they become unstable also, and they seek other atoms or other molecules so that they can make bond with these other atoms and complete their octet. And if this continue to happen, it becomes a process which is called as oxidative stress, because these free radicals start to damage other molecules to complete their own octet. So thus they are called as reactive oxygen species because they have oxygen molecules in their structure. There are various examples of free radicals like nitrous oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and many others. So now let's understand with this picture. Here this is the structure of stable molecule. Here we can see this is the nucleus which consists of proton and neutrons, and these are the orbitals which have electrons in this. So in the outer orbital of this atom we can see there are 8 electrons, and the octet of this atom is completed. Now in the another picture we can see the photograph of free radical. Here we can see in the outermost shell there are only 7 electrons and 1 electron is missing. So this atom is considered as a free radical because it have to come octet, and for this it will react or it will make bond with any other atom. So now let's understand the effects of free radicals in our body. So the free radicals or the oxidative molecules are also found in our body, like they are also called as reactive oxygen species, and this process is also called as oxidation, and this is very normal and necessary process in our body, and it is very helpful also in fighting with pathogens in the process of apoptosis, and it is also helpful in cell signaling pathways. But there is a condition where they start damaging our tissues or they start affecting our cells negatively, and this condition is called as oxidative stress. So basically the oxidative stress occurs when the number of free radicals increase in our body, and that they can't balance by antioxidants. Now let's understand that what are antioxidants. So basically antioxidants are the molecules which make bond with free radicals and donate them electrons without making them itself unstable. So basically antioxidants help to free radicals to make them stable so that they become less reactive. So now let's understand the effect of oxidative stress in our body. So as we have discussed, the oxidative stress is the condition where the imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in our body occurs when the there are not enough antioxidants in our body to manage all the free radicals. So in this condition, the number of free radicals increase in our body, and they start making bond with other biomolecules of our body so that they become stable. And in that condition, these free radicals start damaging our proteins, lipids, DNA molecules, RNA molecules, and all the biomolecules of our body. And this condition leads to various diseases in our body like Alzheimer's disease, many hearing defects, or many neurodegenerative disease, or many more. So these are the negative effects of oxidative stress. So now let's understand the production of oxidants, or from where these oxidants come in our body. So the major source of these reactive oxygen species or free radicals is leakage of activate oxygen from our mitochondria. So basically, in mitochondria, the process of oxidative phosphorylation occurs, where it uses the oxygen molecules, and from where the activated oxygen releases and it start making bond with other biomolecules of our body. And there are several other methods of production of oxidants, which consist of the multiple redox active flavoproteins, the proteins which have flavin groups within them and also contribute in production of oxidants. And there are several enzymes like xanthine oxidase, cytochrome P50, NADPH oxidases, and many other enzymes which are also capable in producing superoxidase. Now let's understand that what the disease caused by oxidative stress, because as we have discussed, the condition of oxidative stress is very harmful for our body, because in this condition the free radicals start damaging our tissues or our biomolecules of our body. So this condition causes various diseases in our body, like it causes diabetes, high blood pressure, atherosclerosis. There are several neurodegenerative diseases which are caused by oxidative stress, and sometimes it is also reported that cancer is also caused by the condition of oxidative stress. And there are many other conditions like Alzheimer's disease, depression, and multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease, which are caused by the condition of oxidative stress. Now let's discuss about the treatment for all the diseases which are caused by the condition of oxidative stress in our body. So basically or naturally, there are several enzymes which are present in our cells who act as a cellular antioxidants for these free radicals, like superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase, and many other enzymes which act as antioxidant and which try to make them stable and less reactive. But there is not total cure or complete cure for the oxidative stress in our body, because as we have discussed, it is normal process. So there are the best way to prevent the effects of oxidative stress in our body by taking enough antioxidants in our diet. So let's understand that what are the natural reservoirs for the antioxidants, or from where we can get enough antioxidant, because when we increase the level of antioxidant in our body, they will enough to make all the free radicals stable, and that's why we can prevent ourselves from the effects of oxidative stress. So there are some citrus fruits, berries, cherries, carrots, tomatoes, olives, or greeny vegetables, and many other food items which have antioxidants or which perform as a natural antioxidant for our body. So there are many other precautions which we should use to avoid oxidative stress and damage of oxidative stress in our body. So the first thing is regular exercise, because it's reported that the regular exercise can help to decrease the effects of aging, and it is also decrease the risk of cancer and also oxidative stress in our body. And the second thing is avoid active and passive both type of smoking. The third thing is avoiding chemicals, because there are many chemicals which expose radiation and expose chemical exposure like pesticides, insecticides, and many other chemicals. So they should be avoided. Avoiding overeating is also considered as a precaution for oxidative stress, and get plenty of sleep is also the precaution for this stress condition. So in this video, we have discussed about the oxidative stress, its causes, its effects, and the treatments for this condition in our body. Thank you.